Welcome to all of you to the 2015 Global Entrepreneurship Challenge. It's great to see you all here and hope you're ready for 2 full days of excitement, enjoyment, hard work and working as a team to try and win this year's competition.
Your challenge is to develop a product or a service which will maximise the benefits of Welsh culture or landscape.
We are just coming up with an idea now.
So what's the idea you've come up with?
Well, we decided to target definitely the Welsh culture.
Well, it's called Extreme Tourism.
Is it an app, a website?
It's a website.
Yeah, we're thinking about utilising tourism around Wales in a tour bus way.
Our idea is to have a festival which will be appealing to young audiences.
So far we're thinking like a treasure hunt around Wales.
Ni mewn to rent yn y mas am y misoedd gyntaf. Bydd yn gobeithio i prynu bus yn y diwedd, ond mae hwnna'n...
Camp sydd yn mynd ymlaen trwy blwyddyn.
How have you found the day?
Yeah, it's been good, exciting, under pressure, but it's been good, yeah.
It's an absolutely amazing event which teaches young people some real business skills.
And it just gives them that chance to dip a toe in the water, really.
It puts pressure on them, it gives a time limit.
It really is encouraging to see so many teams and so many enthusiastic young people.
It doesn't really matter if you go through to the next stage or not. The ideas that you have are concrete.
It's been really inspiring this morning. Lots and lots of young people are coming up with some amazing ideas.
Pitching workshop with George Sabat. We're looking forward to that. George is a great guy. Who's doing the pitch tomorrow?
We're all going to take part in the pitch.
It's really important that we ensure that the youth of today gets all the opportunity to unleash their potential.
The first team reaching the final is Neath Patel College, Neath campus.
Yeah, I think he's quite proud and I think it's great that Team Cambria has got it as well. I think it's fantastic.
Joining them will be Neath Patel College, Newtown.
Excited, overwhelmed, amazing.
And the final team joining them is Coleg, Cambria, Yale. Congratulations.
I think we're just all a bit shocked, really.
I believe this day is imperative for the future of young adults in Wales, so they can get the entrepreneurial spirit.
If you get people into youth entrepreneurship while they are still in education, they can then tailor their education to match their business needs.
It's now time to announce the winner for the whole challenge. Remember, all 3 teams will be receiving support to compete in the Global Champion, with the overall winner receiving a bespoke enhanced package that will be designed and tailored for the event and for you. We will start with the winner of the Ian Bennett Award.
It was obviously very tight because we got 2 joint winners, Coleg Gwent and Gower College. The winner of the Bronze Award is Newtown Campus, an NPTC group.
The Silver Award goes to
NPTC group, Neath Port Talbot Campus.
Guys coming up.
The winner of the Gold Award is Coleg Cambria.